So today I'm gonna show you another a way to make money online. So I just discovered it, and actually I'm still testing it, how it's gonna be. If it's really what's that? It's really true to its promise. Okay, so I'm gonna type in here. So here's the site already. The site is called Gramfree. Okay, now this is my dashboard here. So there are ways to make money for this site, like three ways. So one way is through referral. All you have to do is invite your friends to get into this website, and then you'll get 5 gram per person who register under your referral. And then every hour you'll have to come back to this site to claim your free roll. Here, this is it. So you can go here to free, hit that free. Then it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, let's close this. Then it will take you in this area. So all you have to do is hit it, and then it will start to roll. And then this is my previous reward, so they gave me 0.1 gram for that reward. So this is the payout table. So according to what number combination will be, you will be winning. So they're gonna pay to that. So here I only won 703, 732. So based on this payout table, it's 1 to 980. It's gonna be 0.1 gram. So that's why. Okay. Well, if you're lucky enough and you'll win this 100 gram or even 1000 gram, well, that's good. Okay, but so far I just don't have luck. So they have a timer for this where they set the time for your next roll. So every hour you'll have to come back here and get your free roll. And then this here it said 7 hours and 6 minutes. So that means my next roll will be 7 hours from now. So it has been like this around night time, like 10 o'clock in the evening. Their timer was set to 7 hours. Okay, so approximately in a day, it's like I'm gonna have I get 6 roll, 5 to 6 roll. So that's all. And then another way to make money is by watching video here. So you can watch video here. They're gonna give you 10 videos every day. So 10 videos every day, and then the reward is 0.1 gram per video. And then also, if you submit your own video, you can. So this tab here is for intended for your own video for uploading, and then they're gonna give you a reward like 5 gram per video that you upload. So one thing to take note in making videos is, so that your videos will not be denied, you need to upload a specific video, a Gramfree specific video. So if you upload a video of talking about topics, something else not related to this website, then chances are your video is gonna be rejected. So here, referrals, that's one way. I already told you that that's one way of making money in this website. So the referral. So my referral, here I have 2 referrals. I invited 2 people, and then their status is still pending. It's pending for approval because they need to reach level 2 before they're gonna reward me for that. So this, so the pending reward will gonna be added to my available balance once they reach level 2. So as you can see, one of my referrals here is already in 72% towards level 2. So it's pretty close. So I'm gonna get my $5. Okay. And then here, if you click on this withdrawal, you will see my available balance is still 34.1 gram. So this 12.5 gram is a pending balance. So this is the balance that I earn from referring, from inviting two people to sign up here in this website. So as like what I've said lately, it's gonna be available once they reach level 2 based on their fact. Okay, I read their fact, by the way. And then another way to make money here is by signing this smart contract. Now here they give me like 5 contracts, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they gave me 5 contracts today. So these contracts will renew every day. So every contract that I signed it rewards me 0.5 gram for signing the contract. The next confirmation is gonna be 7 hours from now. So 7 hours from now, I have to renew the contract. I have to sign contract again because if I don't sign it, I think they're gonna impose a penalty on me. So to avoid getting penalized, you need to keep on checking back here, keep on signing contracts as long as they tell you to do so. Okay, so another way of making money here is through the lottery. So I have not tried entering the lottery here. So the price of per ticket is 1.5 gram. The minimum chance of winning is 0.10%. Okay, so I did not try the lottery because I don't want to lose money. Maybe I will try when I have a lot of balance in the future. So I'm still testing this website. So far it's good. It's good, I think, because you don't really have to put in so much effort with this website. All you have to do is come back every hour and then claim your free, claim your free role. Okay, here's another one. User level. This user level, you can check what level are you in now. So right now, I'm on level 2. I just reached level 2. So by the way, if you reach a new level, they're gonna give you a 2 gram reward once you reach a new level. So as you can see, this is the points that I earned today. So this points is added to this, to the total, makes up the total of this 60. So 30 out of this is what I earned today. Okay, so this is what I need to level up. So in order for you guys to level up, you don't really have to invite people. Okay, so referral is not really what's that? It's not highly necessary for them because I think they already caught people who were engaged in fraudulent activity from the past, who registered multiple accounts, but only for only one person. So that's why they were not into they still encourage you to refer people here, but it's not really that necessary that you need to refer people. So 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 this is it. So I just reached my level 2 like 2 days ago. So every day I earn 30 points. That makes up this 60 points. So this is my points that I earned for 2 days in order to reach this level. So this is the level award. See, as you can see, 2 grams. So I already claimed my 2 gram because I already reached to level 2. So this is the task that I have done today so far. The rest is hidden. Now if I reach level 3, then they're gonna reward me 2 gram again. Another gram, another 2 gram. So the withdrawal. There are so many options here for the withdrawal. One is the Bitcoin wallet, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Payoneer, and Payeer. So, what am I gonna have to consider and when I reach the withdrawal amount is I'm gonna have to consider using this PayPal because this is what I have been using. So I have PayPal, I but this is what I am using, so I'm gonna try to use this. Okay, so right now I'm not eligible for withdrawal yet because I only have 34.1 balance available. Now here, this is pending balance, meaning it is pending because my referral did not reach level 2 yet. So once your referral reach level 2, then that's the time that this balance will be added to your available balance. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal here is 500 gram. Okay, which is equal to $1,000. And knowing the fact that it's so easy to earn money, you don't have to spend any amount of money here. All you have to do is come here every day, claim your free roll, and watch videos and do all the rest, and then you earn money. And you don't really have to spend your whole time in this website. So that's the good thing with this. And then, okay, so that's all for the withdrawal. And then here in the dashboard, see it showed my balance is 46.6 grams. So 1 gram is equal to 2.15. Now take note, this varies, the amount here varies from time to time. So it depends upon the exchange rate. Sometimes it go down to 1 point something, 1 point dollar something. Now this time it's 2.15 and sometimes it go way higher than this. So we shall see. I am just still testing the waters here, so I'm gonna tell you how is it gonna be working to me if once I reach my withdrawal what's that minimum withdrawal once I reach $500. So I'm gonna come back and make a follow-up video to let you all know how how did my experience in the Gramfree network go? Okay, so that's all for today. Bye!